Yes, now we are discussing about construction business options. In that today we are discussing about Haulage services. Haulage is a business of transporting goods by road or rail. It includes horizontal transport of ore, coal, supplies and waste, also called cartage or dryage. The vertical transport of the same with cranes is called hoisting. And next point is difference between haulage and logistics. Haulage is a term used mostly when referring to commercial transportation of goods. Therefore, haulage is the act of transporting goods. But when we talk of logistics, we are referring to the overall management of the movement of goods and services from one point to another. And next point is what is category company? What is cartage company? What is a cartage company? Cartage is a term meaning the transportation of goods over a short distance, such as within a commercial or area or town. Cartage freight companies are widely used for light hauls or local carting services that are not covered by our carriers services. And next point is difference between haulage and courier. What is considered haulage work? The main difference between a courier haulier is the courier. A haulier is the number of drop-offs completed during a day, whereas couriers tend to do a number of small drop-offs. A haulier is someone who does a maximum of three drop-offs a day, which usually consists of larger goods. And next point is difference between supply chain and logistics. Logistics focuses on transporting goods, while supply chain focuses on finished product and our customers. Logistics has to do with coordination and movement of goods. Supply chain involves multiple facets such as operations and procurement that keep a company running smoothly. Registration. If you start an individual with your own one vehicle means no problem. Otherwise, if you want to start with a team and multiple vehicles, you should register it and get licenses from local authorities. Then marketing. You should advertise in centers, distribute visiting cards to local construction companies, building engineers, shopping complexes, etc. Especially in hotels and restaurants also you should distribute pamphlets. And as well as visiting cards also you should supply. And as well as if you are having a simple web page of one or two pages of web pages, the website is there. It is very easy. It is having in haulage services what are your vehicles, where are your services, and what are the charges, and phone numbers and contact details and help desk phone number. All these will be there in that. Then it is easy to them. Once if you register in Google business addresses also, you can get easily nearer to your location. It is asking about haulage services nearer to your city or town. If you enter, it will give the list. In that, if you register your business in Google, not registration means nothing is there. What are the details of you? And they will charge something. Details, then it will be in a website. Then it is very easy to contact you and it is a very best communication process. And next point is what is haulage services? Haulage is a business of transporting goods by road or rail. It includes the horizontal transport of ore, coal supplies and waste, also called cartage or dryage. What is haulage work? Haulage company services, as mentioned, haulage is used to transport a vast amount of goods, machinery and more across the UK, as well as providing other services such as parcel delivery or waste disposal. If road transportation is there, haulage services are very better in countries. But if it is out of the country, means air cargo is always better. And next point is, what is Haulage contractor? Meaning of Haulage contractor in English: a person or company whose business is transporting goods for others by road or railway. Most Haulage contractors need to specialize to make their business profitable. A mail trash hauling contractor. Next point is the difference between Haulage and freight. Haulage companies, on the other hand, transport heavier, larger goods. So when talking about a road haulage company, they would distribute pallets or containers of merchandise. They also handle container shipping. Simply put, couriers transport hand carry packages, while Haulage transport freight. And next point is, what is IHC shipping? In inland Haulage definition and meaning: inland Haulage charges are the transportation costs incurred when moving freight from a seaport of loading to the land container freight station and vice versa. What is haulier code? Haulier code is the number of the transport company who forwards the material to your location, which issue from Dubai port authorities against their vehicle company. And next point is, what does general haulage mean? The business of transporting goods of any kind of road or railway. We offer a general haulage services to meet the most demanding needs. Next point is, who is haulier? A haulier is a company. Haulier is a company or a person that transports goods by road. Next point is, what freight means? Freight means goods transported by freight itself. Can be defined as the goods transported by truck, train, ship or plane. The means of transport commonly associated with freight shipping are trucks, railroad cars, and large ships carrying containers. This is the information regarding haulage services. Haulage services are most important, especially in my personal experience also. Not haulage, but from Pune to Hyderabad, shifting my house luggage, I used to contact the haulage services only, but they can send one personal DCM. By that we went away, including ourselves also. So it is comfortable. Haulage services are most important in the world. It is mostly, generally, transfers are most important, because one official person is there with correct qualifications and all these things. He cannot get in only in one state or one area. He can get good opportunities in other countries also. They will also need our services, professional services. By that time, we should change the state by state also. That time, haulage services will be mostly useful, and it is good for all also. Wishing you all the best.